In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks, don't worry. This process is straightforward once you know where everything is, and creating invoices correctly helps you get paid faster and keep your records organized. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left side menu and click Create, which may also appear as plus new depending on your version. This is where you'll find the tools for adding new transactions and documents. From the menu that opens, select Invoice. This will take you to the invoice form, where you can enter all the billing details for your customer. The first thing you'll want to do is choose a customer from the Customer dropdown. If the customer is already in your system, simply select their name. This helps QuickBooks link the invoice to the correct client record. Next, enter the invoice date and the payment terms. The invoice date shows when the invoice is being issued, and the payment terms tell your customer when payment is due. For example, you might use due on receipt, net 15, or net 30, depending on your billing arrangement. Make sure this information is accurate since it affects payment expectations and reporting. After that, add the products or services you want to bill for. Enter each item carefully so the invoice clearly reflects what the customer is being charged for. Depending on how your QuickBooks account is set up, you may be able to choose items from an existing list, which can save time and improve consistency. Once the items are entered, review the quantity, rate, and total amount. This is an important step because even small mistakes can lead to confusion or payment delays. Take a moment to confirm that the quantities are correct, the rates match your pricing, and the total looks right before moving on. If needed, you can also add notes or attachments. Notes can be helpful for providing extra context, such as a short message for the customer, while attachments can be useful if you need to include supporting documents related to the invoice. When everything looks good, choose the option that works best for you. Click Save and Send. If you're ready to email the invoice right away, save and close if you want to save it and return later, or save and new if you need to create another invoice immediately. And that's how to create an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.